Well, we thought we'd try to widen the door opening on the carport where this is usually parked. And apparently we shouldn't have used the fender to try to do that. It didn't make the opening any bigger, but it made the car skinnier right here. So, needless to say, we will be fixing this and painting the fender. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to do much today. This just happened yesterday. I might jack it up and maybe start taking it apart. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah. Should be a fun one. Alright, a little progress report. As you can see, it's almost perfect by the time we get the touch-up paint. We'll be ready to go. Still on? Hey, who've been watching? Half hour. There you go. Step 1 is complete. Step 2 will be the stud gun. As you can see, we have our work area all cleaned up and ready to go for the next time.
That's a gym. You might want to add in because of Jim, you found the light.
Because of Jim, I found the light that I lost. If you're ever in the market for a dent puller and you come across one of these, leave it there. This thing's a piece of junk. That's all I have to say about that. So, on to the stud gun then.
Is it just because the inner fender's not in there that it pushes in like that?
I have to mess with a stock fender that hasn't been messed with before and see how strong it is to know that.
Are all the ones in the case used?
Those are all used. Sure, I can use them again. You can see this top line is rolled in here.
Yeah.
It's like just a, but not sure if it's gonna happen. Or if I have room to use this. Guess I should have done one at a time.
That worked better than the slide hammer.
Yep. That hammer would just make a bang, 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 and move everything around. And this actually holds down.
That makes sense.
This thing needs to be longer.
Yeah. That was loud.
I never told you what I did the other day at work. I was tightening up a hood hinge bolt. I was holding the hood and I had my Makita battery air ratchet. I was tightening it and I grabbed it, went and hit my chin and made me close my mouth and bite my tongue on both sides. It was pretty sweet.
That look better?
All I have is shit here. Shit, shit, shit.
Where did the disc even go?
Huh?
Oh, the disc went flying. of it.
That's how you fill a hole when you don't want to get the welder out. You grind the end of this off so there's no copper left.
You know what the center's made of?
They're steel.
Oh. Makes sense.
And you stick it in the hole that you pulled. You weld it on there. You cut the tip off, and that one didn't work. That hole might be too big. I might have to get the welder out on that one. That means we're gonna need the welder over here, aka Jim. Well, I might be able to get that.
That's harder to plug up holes in.
That's not necessarily hard on this because it's thicker, but I've been messing with it so much I've ground a lot of metal off. So it's not as thick as it should be. Plus, I don't even remember what we did to it last time. But there's Duraglass up here for some reason. Why, I don't know. I can't figure that out because
The only thing that I remember was doing the bottoms of the fenders. Did we do the front and back of the?
the front don't rust out.
Alright.
This is not working out for me. Jim is going to come over here and weld it up and get it all hot and warp it.
I'm gonna tell him he said that.
You don't have to, it'll be in the video. You would tell him I said that anyway.
No, I didn't.